Your roof is one of the most valuable investments you can make for your home. It's important to pick the best materials, but more importantly, to take the extra time to find a contractor that installs a complete roofing system. Domack General Contracting starts your project by delivering the materials to your house through a local supplier. We carefully drop off your materials with use of an orbital lift so that you don't run the risk of damaging your driveway with heavy trucks that other suppliers use. We place the materials as far away as we can so we don't interfere with your daily activities. After the materials have been dropped off, a Domack rep will come out and inspect the inventory to make sure that the supplier hasn't missed anything needed for the project. He will also confirm the correct colors and styles that you've picked out. Domack always uses mobile dump trailers because box containers can damage your driveway and will most times sit there for days after the job is done. It's also easy to move in case the homeowner needs to access their garage at any time. Most times, the crew will show up to the job within a day or two after the materials have been delivered. Your Domack rep will then brief the crew on all the details of your project and begin the process of adding protection around your property to prevent accidental damage of plants, landscaping, and other property. Before getting on the roof, the crew utilizes any and all personal protection equipment necessary in compliance with OSHA safety standards. Domack is very careful with your property and takes extra care by using ladder standoffs to prevent damaging the gutters. This also keeps the ladder stable when crew members are accessing the roof. After the site has been prepped, the tear-off begins. Roof tear-offs can be noisy and messy, but most roofs can be torn off in a couple of hours. Even with proper protection in place and carrying debris directly to the dumpster, we strongly suggest kids and pets stay away from the construction site to prevent any accidental injury. When the tear-off is done, the crew foreman will inspect the decking to make sure that there is a suitable nailing surface that is acceptable to manufacturer's specs. If you have any areas that need to be replaced, your Domack rep will take pictures, inform you, and replace any areas of concern. After the deck inspection is passed, drip edge flashing is installed. This drip edge is placed around the perimeter of the roof to prevent any capillary penetration from happening. After this, Domack installs ice and water shield at the eaves, valleys, and roof protrusions. Ice and water shield has an adhesive on the back that adheres to the wood nailing surface and is extremely hard to remove once it's in place. This product has been proven to significantly stop water intrusion from ice damming and wind-driven rain. After this, the Domack crew will begin installing a fiberglass material known as felt paper. Domack installs its felt paper using plastic cap nails as opposed to using the conventional staple because staples can rip holes due to heavy traffic from the crew. With the plastic cap nails, you won't have that because there's a wider surface holding the paper down. Then roof-to-wall flashing, pipe flashing, and chimney flashings are replaced. Domack pays very close attention to detail by ordering matching paint for your chimney and pipe flashings to make them blend in with the roof surface. Now the crew will start installing the field shingles. Domack uses both pneumatic nailing and hand-driven nailing systems. By using a minimum 5-nail fastening system, you can greatly reduce the chance of blow-offs and buckling. The valleys are most times shingled in a manner called the California cut. This valley provides 3 times the amount of protection than an open valley, giving your roof a great look with clean lines. Domack installs its eave and rake-end shingles according to manufacturer's specifications by hanging the shingles over by 3/8 of an inch. Domack continually cleans the job site throughout the roofing process because we know that a clean job site is a safe one. Most contractors will wait until the end of the day to start cleanup, but oftentimes the crew will be tired and visibility will be low at the end of the day, making it easy to miss debris and nails in the driveway. Ventilation and ridge shingles are then installed. Domack uses products specifically made for this application, when most contractors will cut costs by using a cheap 3-tab shingle and cutting them down. Domack uses the specific products for their designated applications for the complete roofing system to ensure that you get your warranty. After the majority of the work is completed, the flashings are sealed and a blower is used to get debris and granules off the roof. The crew foreman will inspect the roof and gutters before leaving the roof. All gutters are cleaned out before the job is done. The rest of the crew will clean the ground a second time to make sure that no debris is missed. They walk around with magnets on rollers to pick up any stray nails or metal that may have landed in your landscape, yard, or driveway. When the site is thoroughly cleaned, the dumpster is removed and the crew foreman notifies your Domack rep that the repairs have been completed. Your rep will then complete a final walkthrough with you and prepare a certificate of completion. Domack goes a step further by hiring a full-time quality assurance supervisor who randomly inspects jobs that have been completed for workmanship or material defects. This ensures a level of workmanship that is above all standards in the industry, making Domack superior to other contractors in professionalism, customer satisfaction, and workmanship. This is yet another reason why Domack is the superior contractor of choice for you and your family.